Guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I will be showing you how you can create the Bananza edit, and it is pretty similar to the tutorial I've done 2 months ago, and I just wanted to say thank you so much for all the love and support you guys have given me in that video, and I just appreciate it so much, so thank you. And let's get started with the video. I have a video of Blackpink here, and I'm just going to go and press audio or add audio and go to extract it, and I'm going to select the Bananza song. Of course, I'm going to turn the volume down so I don't get copyrighted, but I want to sort of split the part when the hey ladies jumping down, just want to see you, I don't know the lyrics, and I'm just going to split that part, and when it goes to the don't be shy girl go Bananza, I'm just going to split that, and I'm just going to sort of adjust it when they start dancing. This is completely up to you, of course. I'm just going to sort of, delete this part. And I'm going to go to this video where the beat drops and go to speed, normal, and go to 0.5x speed. I'm also going to delete the audio and export it. A lot of people ask why I do this, but I just like exporting it first to make my editing more organized, I guess. And now I'm going to open that exported video, so press new project, and I'm going to select the video that I have exported, press add, and I'm going to press add audio, extract it, and I'm going to select the audio again, the Bananza audio, and again I'm going to lower down the volume, and then I am going to press on the audio and press match cut and press auto generate, and then choose beat 2, press the checkmark button, and here just like the previous video, I'm going to go to the first beat, split, and then skip a beat, and then go to the next beat, and then split again, press on the video and go to speed, curve, and you are going to choose flash in, and you are going to do that again for the second part over here. So skip a beat, go to the next beat, split, and press it, go speed, curve, and flash in, and again on the skip another beat, go to the next beat, split, and press on it, speed, curve, and flash in. And on this beat, what you're going to do differently is you're just going to go to this beat and actually just press split, because here there isn't like a beat for the Bananza part. So you're just going to skip this part, so don't add anything to it, and then you are going to go to this video, so nothing, you're not going to do anything on this video, and then you are going to again skip a beat, split, and then you're going to do speed, curve, and flash in, and you are going to do that again, so 3 flashes in. So again, skip another beat, split, and a speed, curve, flash in, and you're going to skip another beat, split, speed, curve, and flash in, and you're going to go to the next beat, split, and not add anything, and you are going to do that to all of the beats until you reach the end, and I will be back when I'm done doing that. And this is what you're basically left with. So there's 3 flashes in, and then none, and then again 3, and then none, 3, and then none, 3, and then none. And that is the end. And I am going to add like this flash effect. And to do that, actually a commenter told me to do this another way in the velocity edit. So go to overlay, add overlay, and go to stock videos. And here I'm just going to select the white background and press add. And I'm going to sort of zoom it in so it covers the whole thing and split it at the end of the video. Split. I'm just going to delete the rest. Hold on, can I just delete that? Okay, it's here. I'm just going to select this and go to splice and go to opacity and go to overlay and press the checkmark button. Go to animation and press the out animation and press fade out. And set the duration, like for instance to fade out like here or like the whole video. Let's just see. Yeah, something like that. And you're going to like sort of copy and paste that on the flash in video so you don't have to put one in here. And I will be right back with the results. Okay, and I'm back, and this is sort of the final result. Sorry, results. No audio, of course, so here's the final product. Okay, and that is basically it for this Bananza edit tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!